Forex traders need a trading plan. Trading with a trading plan will make trading easier than without one. Take a look at how you use a GPS device. When you enter your destination, it will take you there. Afterwards, it highlights how to get to your destination based on where you are now. Keeping an eye on your GPS will allow you to check if you're on track at all times. As soon as you make a wrong turn, the navigation system knows to adjust and points you back in the right direction. A trading plan is like a navigation system for traders. Your current position as a trader will be highlighted, and you will be guided to your goal of consistent profitability. The best way to ensure safe travel is to use a GPS. A trading plan is just as important as a GPS when it comes to trading. An effective trading plan can help you determine whether you're heading in the right direction. Your trading performance will be measured using a framework. You can keep an eye on this continuously, just like a GPS. You can trade without emotion and stress by doing this. Necessary activities before start trading. Link your investment to a financial goal. A portfolio aligned to a financial goal's risk profile and investment horizon can be created easily when a financial goal is as the starting point. Portfolio returns can be forecasted easily, and financial goals can be reached beforehand if they are achieved.